you're nuts. You're nuts. You really are nuts.
Possible because it requires negative energy, so who knows? Mathematically you can write it down, but...
You too. Bye.
Sorry, I'm having a hard time connecting sentences in my brain, which is really tragic for
Connecticut. Hello.
Like tie my thoughts together.
Prius. Because Prius.
A cohesive way, and instead I find myself hitting a wall. You ever have those days?
You know, it's weird. What are you doing? Go already. Alright, here's the thing. Tomorrow is Wednesday, and that's when I'm going to put out the Toyota video. And every single driver from yesterday and so far today have been all Toyotas. Always seems to happen to me.
A few moments later.
It wasn't a terrible thing that happened. I'm not working on any immediate projects.
What the hell? What the You're just freaking clueless. What the hell are you doing? And a red light runner. Oh, good. We got a Honda. Okay, I'm okay now.
At the Mike Fast as a podcast at gmail.com. Let's get a couple of giant emails in before we bid you adieu.
There was no stop.
Dan, we went to
Ford.
MetLife last
I carry the show, so you can see the little scabs. The scab used to be red when the procedure.
Red light run.
When I just finished the procedure with
It's red. It's red. No, turn on red. Should have waited 3 seconds. Oh well, you're in the video. Sucks for you. You blame us for living our dream. Dude, what the fuck? Really?
About the fantasy of a person, but not the actuality of one. You know, how dangerous is it to let ourselves indulge in these? I guess I can't even.
Yeah, that truck up there didn't yield.
Fantasies.
Red light run.
Time in hurricane season was happening before people were a season. Hurricane season.
Wait, what the hell are you doing?
We made that decision. Right.
You're just passing everybody.
Whenever we decided election day was that's it
for the night. And the
Red light run.
expensive sorbet into her mouth.
Nope.
Nothing was affirmative. The term generosity of spirit applied to nothing was a cliche, was some kind of
exit
bad
dive
joke.
last second
Sex
over
is
the core point
mathematics.
thing. Yep.
Individuality.
When 1989 was coming out, she said, you know, make no mistake, this is a pop album. And I couldn't think of a time when anybody ever...
you dropped some stuff.
With it. But country
cones.
still loved her.
You left your cones there. Get them.
She said in the past, I want to be here for my kids.
Stop.
I don't want to leave them.
All of that are choosing misery. Why? What is it getting you? Your kids aren't hanging out with your wife because she's brilliant.
Go.
They're hanging out with her more because she's safer.
Whatever you're doing at dance or
and don't
go, whatever.
Because I needed that, right?
Yeah.
I wouldn't have found it. But right now you're doing it you're just not having this thing. It is dragging everything else down.
Yeah.
Man,
just like had the dream, and I was like, I'm going for it.
How old were you at the Fox Theater when he was there?
I was like 13,
Red light.
14.
Whoa,
My cousins were like,
whoa! I thought he was going to go for it, but
18, 19. They snuck me.
he announced the back up of shame. What an idiot.
And then you go out to California and you start doing open mics at the store.
Yeah, I mean, there was like a gap. There was a couple
Red light, run.
gap years where I like
Nissan drivers.
My girlfriend from college.
And
Every
just fucking
Sunday,
wow.
dude, I got a job, you know, just like PAing on a TV show, right? I was like a PA, and by the way, I didn't know, I couldn't get around LA. Like,
The hell are you doing over there?
So I paid my boy from college $40 cash to deliver.
See if that got on
all this
camera.
Almost be like a compulsion.
Yeah.
But it's. I don't want to say that it's not a real what you're going
There was
through.
no stop.
It's just that you want to.
Everybody thought this was a team that was going to be one for the ages. I think there is pressure on this team, but let's be honest.
No stop. Red light, run.
Behind somebody else. This motherfucker's out of power now. He's divisive. The middle of America hates him. The independent voter hates
half the caps. So, seeing that, and it was funny because I thought I haven't seen them on the channel in a while.
Really?
Great. That was the last comment they made before today, where they said, "You have nothing."
Yeah, exactly. In part because, look, we have our theories. They're probably closer to the truth.
Did not stop. Screw Baru.
The people in that dude, that's basically Joffrey from Game of Thrones.
No stop.
Seemed to pulse and glow. Frank Sinatra is somewhere singing Witchcraft. I'm staring at
Red light, run.